I'm here at the pier. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the name of the pier is. I don't want to butcher it, but I'm gonna try to get this get on the boat so I could go to the Talat Noi. So that's the name of the pier. I'm inside the pier, and they actually have eels and fish for sale inside here. I think that's called paduk, right? If I say it right. Gal, please help. I think that's called paduk. Yeah, but this is what the inside of the pier looks like. The other night I went on the boat cruise. It actually got pretty close to this bridge now that, but I think I might be on the opposite side of it. But yeah, this is the pier. I think it comes every 15 minutes, and it's I believe it's a 16 baht or 17 baht. That's probably 50 cents. So let's find out. Oh, that's a fish. So I just got off the marine department exit off the boat, or the pier. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that word is called. So I'm on a mission to go look for the little small car at Talat Noi. So let's see if I can find it. Okay, so let's go here. On a mission. I think I should be getting close. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is that art area. Oh, this is that the alley where all the art is at. Okay. Pretty interesting. Walking down here. So this is the car that I'm looking for. Let me see, where's it at? So I think this is an old Chinatown back in the days. Look at the woods, man. That's crazy. Yeah, this is very interesting because I love old buildings. I don't think I'm going there because that looks like someone's house. What do you got? They're like a truck springs. Hey, it's pretty much like an artist place. There's all sorts of car parts in there. So I saw something here that I'll probably possibly get a picture of. So when my dad was in Thailand, this is what he actually did to make a living, make money. But you can see all this tuk-tuk in the alley. I'm gonna walk through there and see what's going on. He caught a fish. ได้ปลาอะไรครับปลาดุก Oh, that's cool. ขอวิดีโอได้ไหมได้โอเค Okay, I'm going in there. Okay, let me. Oh man, caught a fish. Oh, paduk. Oh, this is cool. He's fishing right here. Okay. ขอบคุณครับเอาใส่ YouTube ได้ไหมใน YouTube โอเคขอบคุณครับมึงก็seeนะ Some egg roll, little tiny kitchen. I'll stop and ask someone if I need to. Yeah, these all kinds of like car parts, motorcycle parts, semi truck parts.ซอย2ไหมครับซอยที่นี่ซอย2ครับอะไรซอย2รถเต่าอยู่ที่นี่ไหมใช่อยู่ซ้ายมือโอเคขอบคุณครับต้นไม้ใหญ่ซ้ายมือค่ะโอเคI think I misunderstand the first lady that told me. I thought it was like soy number 2, but I think she meant the second soy. Alright, where are you at? And these should be okay. I see the tree. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see this tree too. These are all buildings from. It used to be the old Chinatown. I don't know. It's like called Chinatown like that, but I think this is where the Chinese settler. I think that's what they call them, right? Came and stay at. Yeah, don't ever come to my channel and try to get anything educational from me, because I don't know, I just like to see things for myself and do things and learn things, make up words as I go. But okay, so that's a tree. So that's a tree that everybody been kind of posting. Let me see. That's interesting. Oh, here you go. So this is the car that I've been looking for. I keep all the way to Thailand just to look for this car. Yeah, here I am. All right. So that's what it is. I don't know how to end this video, but I'm gonna put it on pause and take pictures with the car, and I'll get back to it. I'm hot, sweaty, but I'm here. So here it is, the little car, the buggy car. I'm not even sure what the name of this car is.